everyone, I'm Rhonda, a member of the dental services team here at RCDHU. Did you know that we provide free dental care to low-income seniors through the Ontario Seniors Dental Care Program? The OSDCP is available to eligible seniors. If you are age 65 and older, live in Ontario, and meet the income requirements, you could qualify. Coverage includes cleanings, checkups, x-rays, removing teeth, repairing broken teeth and cavities, treating pain, and even dentures. Something that most people don't realize, the Ontario Seniors Dental Care Program is different from the Canadian Dental Care Plan. You can be enrolled in both programs if you qualify. Protect your smile. Apply for the Ontario Seniors Dental Care Program today.